Subscribe by clicking on the bell icon to receive regular updates. Hi everyone, this is Kriti from Open Your Cards. A very happy new year to all of you all. This reading is for 3 points. What we should release. So I'm taking out that card. What should we be releasing in 2021, or what should we be leaving out and not carry forward in the year 2021? What are the things we need to imbibe? And what is the overall guidance? So as you see, we have Ishtar, the goddess, and she's saying that you have to love yourself enough to say no to others' demands on your time and energy. So this means that we have to let go of making others your priority all the time. It is high time you create good boundaries for yourself and make 2021 a fruitful year for your own self. If you respect your boundaries, others will also respect the boundaries for you and respect you. Start loving yourself in the best way possible. So love yourself and let go of that space where you're allowing others to take you for granted. What happens usually is that we create boundaries in a wrong way because of any emotional trauma or any other emotional issue or hang up. We create boundaries as a defense or as a coping mechanism. But here, if we start loving ourselves well, the boundaries will be created in a healthy fashion. Okay? So this is what we need to let go of. The second card, which is what we need to imbibe. So we have Eracura, and the goddess says, you are just getting started, so have patience with yourself and the process and do not give up. Oh, it's a beautiful card. It is saying that you are blooming on your manifestation process. So whatever you're planning for 2021, it will actually bloom in a beautiful way. It is just that you need to have patience because you're just getting there. So don't lose patience, keep up with the spirit, and the process is on. Okay? And the final overall guidance is Ishel, which is the medicine woman. She says, you are a channel for divine healing power. What more do you need? So it's a beautiful reading for this year 2021, and this is the guidance for our entire year, that do not forget that you are a channel for divine healing power. And when you remember this, that I am a channel for divine healing power, half the issues get solved there right away. You do not tend to get into smaller battles or wars in your life, and you keep your energies intact, and there is less leakage as much as possible. So take care of yourself. Have a beautiful new year 2021. I bless you all, and I invoke God and the angels to bless us all for a beautiful, prosperous, healthy, mentally happy, emotionally safe new year for us. Thank you. Subscribe by clicking on the bell icon to receive regular updates.